today's Friday Find, we are at one of our favorite organizations to support, Habitat for Humanity. We are at their Restore on Euclid in Des Moines. And I'm telling you what, this place is a treasure trove of amazing things that you can find. We have been digging through this awesome pile of duvets and comforters and pillows. There are so many great finds here. If you have not spent some time, just come check it out, walk around. It's the coolest place.
We have our Arcadia wood butcher block. It's 10 by 21. We also have the pine. We have the smaller size. You can see it's almost 400, but you know, it makes a great island or a counter area for you.